The VuppetMaster works with a cloud-based solution. Accordingly, all your changes are stored in the cloud of your account and you have no memory loss on your device. To ensure that your project is not lost, it is important that the project is saved in between. You can do this easily by using the cloud with arrow in the upper left. Next to the cloud, the number of unsaved changes is listed in orange. To save the project, press the button regularly and especially before closing the VuppetMaster or going back to the home screen. The orange number next to the button expires. This means that all your previous changes have already been saved. Do you have further questions about the extensive functions of the VuppetMaster? Check out our other tutorials or drop me a line with your questions and suggestions.